Diving into Chainlink. So I know a lot of people have Chainlink on YouTube, but what's interesting here is Chainlink has actually broken the low from June, which is not good because in the big picture, if you do take a fib from this low to the high, Chainlink was sitting on the 382 for over a year and you finally broke down below it and you're actually testing it as resistance. So until Chainlink can get a big weekly close over $5.47, it's actually extremely bearish. Now, again, it is a little bit iffy to say, look, it's extremely bearish at potentially the bottom, but we don't want to assume it's the bottom because, again, you just broke a 1 year long range. So what we can draw is another fib from this high here to the low. And you can see that the 382 is about $8.12. So until Chainlink gets over that at any time, we can't assume that Chainlink is bullish. And then what we can do again is zoom in again and say, well, here's another fib. And you can see that the first fib is going to be resistance at 566. So we can make the case that people that are accumulating down here are gambling that this is the bottom. However, a bottom will be most likely confirmed, at least in the short term, if you can get back over 560 and ultimately 620. So either of these resistance levels are actually both bearish. If you end up getting back over 616, then we can assume, okay, Chainlink actually potentially bottomed here. And then, as I said earlier, this 1 year long accumulation range would be broken out once you get over $8. Then you'll see 1280. But again, there's a lot of speculation in there. Well, let's just keep it simple. Once Chainlink gets back over 570-ish and 620-ish, then we can assume, okay, she's actually bullish. So if you're buying down here, you're gambling that this is the low. Because again, normally when you break a big range like this, you have a pretty decent recovery pretty quickly. As you can see, that's what happened here. But if we start hanging out down here, that's actually really bearish. So that's pretty much it. None of this is financial advice.